Hey, my name is Josh Smith, and here's my story and my experience with Central Alps. One of the best things about Central Alps, and one of the best reasons why I'd recommend them, is their friendly service. You drop it off, you're in, you're out, smiles everywhere, just overall quality service. And I was like, dude, I'm just gonna message them right here on Facebook. And so sure enough, sent them a message over and literally responded probably within the first 30 minutes or so. And it was that easy as a process. I mean, literally I message them on Facebook, message, get it set up, what wheels and tires I want. Next thing you know, you're dropping it off, you set up your time, you drop it off, and later that day you've got your Jeep's, boom, it's beautiful. Couldn't have had a better experience with Central Alps, it was great. Let's take you back to last August, 2017. She always wanted a Jeep, it was like her dream vehicle. So one day I remember she came home from work, of course, so she was like, hey, let's go up to the Dodge place. I saw the Dodge, the Dodge Jeep place nearby. I think they had an all purple one. And of course, sure, let's go up there. Let's go take a look at it. So we go up there. She had a Durango at the time. And yeah, I went up there and it was this one. It was purple, it was loaded, heated seats, GPS, a screen, had everything in it that we wanted, except for the lift. So boom, so we got her dream Jeep that she'd always been wanting. And that was last August when we got this Jeep for her. That was always the dream. The dream was always to get a lift and maybe even get it higher eventually, but that was, yeah, she wanted it not as high as she can go because she is a taller girl, but she wanted to get a lift. She wanted to get big wheels and rims on it. She wasn't specific, it was more about me getting 20s on it. But yeah, she wanted to get a lift, she wanted to get wheels, and so yeah, it was one of her dreams. So once we got the Jeep and it was just basic, she's so glad that we got the lift for her. Yeah, next on the list, and well, I mean, it's going to be done soon. We're thinking about trying to get it done before Christmas, but we're going to get the front bumper and the back bumper. So we'll get a grill and a back matching bumper set. Because if you get one, you got to get the other. And then of course get some side rails. So kind of get the whole outside not the whole outside done, because there's still so much more to be done, but that'll be the next thing to do, is kind of get a brush guard or some kind of new grill with a matching bumper and get some side rails for it. Jeep's number one as far as off-road vehicle, but she loved to get an old school Discovery, like a Land Rover. Kind of the same type look. Got the wheel on the back. It's kind of a big boxier vehicle that can go anywhere. We love those. But those are probably two of our favorite. I used to have a truck, but trucks are beautiful. But just me and even anyone, especially her, just probably don't see us getting in a truck, which I love trucks, but probably number one off-road vehicle would be the Jeep, and then two would be getting a Discovery, maybe Land Rover, even if it was old school or something newer, because all the new ones have all that plush inside, which everyone loves. But yeah, and then of course I love speed, so I'd love to get me a BMW X5M. That's my next dream vehicle. That's what I'll be in next, hopefully. So we're about to take it to Colorado for Christmas. She's got family out there, so we can't wait to get it. We're gonna finally really use the four-wheel drive, take it off-road, see what it can do in some snow. We've taken it down the beach. We go to the beach every year in Florida, so we get it on the sand, which is not too much, it's not much for a Jeep. So I'm ready to get it off-road, get it up and down some mountains, see what it can do on some rocks. We're finally gonna do that in Colorado.